Not too much going on. Just Nvidia in focus today. Ticker NVDA. Of course, we do see this stock really weighing on the broader market. Shares currently down more than 4%, earlier plunging as much as 5.6% for its worst day since November. This, of course, is as people are really digesting the latest earnings report out of the company, really failing to dispel fears of an AI bubble. A lot of people are looking at this as the barometer for what the future could hold as we think about artificial intelligence spends as it relates to a lot of these companies, and just whether or not there's any continued overhangs and fears here. And it seems as though this was not enough to really shake or transform this market in terms of its outlook on that CapEx spend and what the future could hold here for a lot of these chip makers.
Definitely not enough. It seems like investors just want perfection and all of that. What's happening in GoodRX? That's a stock I'm not familiar with.
Yeah, GoodRX, keeping with the medical space, because we've been keeping our eyes on a lot of those names more recently. GoodRX, I see the commercials all the time. But we're seeing this company. It's essentially a digital healthcare platform. They have telemedicine, and this is GDRX, tumbling to its lowest level ever. Shares plunging today, down as much as 22%. This is after its forecast revenue for the year fell short of Wall Street's estimate. It also gave an estimate for the lower bound of 2026 Ebitda that was also below expectations. A lot of analysts were saying that they were surprised by the scale of margin deterioration implied by its profit outlook. So certainly still seeing Wall Street trying to parse how they feel about this, and not looking too bright. If you take a look at the year-to-date scope, stock is down about 26% as well so far this year.
Wow.
All right, one more.
And lastly, pizza. Looking at Papa John's, that's ticker PZZA. Shares down earlier as much as 7.7%. Now pairing some of those declines, down about 1.5%. This is after its sales shrunk more than expected and its outlook for the year trailed estimates. A lot of people have really been focusing on the consumer. Apparently, customers have been cutting back on orders, and that's certainly weighing on the company here.